Yes, Simon.
Hello.
It's game time.
Yes.
You're playing Olav's Men again.
Yeah, we seem to meet every week now. I
Yeah.
guess. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
One big question,
Yes.
which you told me the last time we spoke. You said you had suspended your starting
Yeah, we
quarterback.
did. Yeah, we did.
So the question is,
Mm.
who's playing quarterback? Because Peter, he can't play this game.
No, Daniel can play, which is a bit sad because I really like working with him. It was very unfortunate that he studied away from Bergen this year, so we can't use him this game. We have to. We have Alexander Brink, who's back from an injury, which we can play at quarterback. We have to see how well this goes.
Yeah.
But he is a little bit injured, so we have to see how this fits with our scheme, because we need a certain skill set within our scheme, and this was built around our previous quarterback.
Yeah.
So now we are working, I think, with the committee. We will use several guys today, and it's probably going to be exciting. Let's see how far we get.
Yeah. So that's what you have been working on the last week, putting in a new quarterback and.
No, I mean, you know, we work on more or less the same things.
Yeah,
we had the tape, we had the previous tape, tape from Olav's Men, and we was working on that, adjusting what we call on it, what our game plan is, and of course you got to give different people snaps at the quarterback position, even if it's just to be safe.
Yeah.
So yeah, this was one of our focus points. We practiced our usual 3 times a week, and. This week I didn't feel our practice was so good though. Like the previous weeks I felt we practiced much better, and I hope that still we can have a good game. But practice week, I think this week we could have done better, I think.
Okay. I'll let you go and then we'll have a talk after.
All right, yeah. See you after.
Yep.